Hello everyone, today in front of me I have OnePlus Nord 2T smartphone, and in this video we would like to show how you can activate the separate number on top of the characters at the keyboard of this device. So that's how the keyboard looks without them. From now we gotta somehow get to the keyboard settings by either tapping on this gear icon right here, or we can also just simply open up the settings app. Here, go all the way down and find the system settings category. In here you want to head straight for the keyboard and input method. Here just choose the Gboard or any other keyboard that is currently in use. By default it is always going to be the Gboard. At the Gboard settings page you want to open the preferences and turn on this number row switch, and as you can see now, that will effectively mean that the separate number line has been successfully activated and can be used from now on. Alright, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.